Hi everyone, welcome back to my coding journey. In the last video, we built our very first web page using HTML. In this video, we'll take it one step further and make our page look amazing with CSS. Now that we wrote our first HTML page, let's make it look amazing with CSS. CSS help us add style like colors, fonts, and layouts. Makes web pages look nice and easy to read. Now let's open CodePen again, but this time we'll write some CSS. This will allow us to add style and color to the page we built with HTML. Now let's add some style to our page using CSS. We'll start with the body. In CSS, the body selector controls the whole page. Inside the curly brackets, I will write background color light yellow. Next, we'll style the heading. In CSS, we use the tag name h1 and the curly brackets to tell the browser what style we want. So inside the brackets, we write color, dark blue, text align, center. This means all headings will be dark blue and the text will be centered on the page. Next, let's style the paragraph. We do the same thing, but this time with P. Inside the curly brackets, we add color, dark green, font size, 18 pixels, text align, center. Here is what each rule does. Color dark green makes the text green. Font size 18 pixels makes the letters a bit bigger, and text align center move the paragraph into the middle of the page. Normally long paragraphs are easier to read when they are left aligned, but since our paragraph is short, centering it makes the page look simple and balanced. And that's it. We've styled our first web page with CSS. Now it has color, a bigger text, and everything is centered nicely. In the next video, we'll keep learning new CSS tricks to make our page look even better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.